how much I want to always bike in a group, and that's why here we are, and check it out. Made our first stop, having breakfast. Dosas, idlis, vada. Those are all the entire team here, and the bike's all waiting there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the road again. I'm gonna go to Ganula Falls. See you there. Alright, here we are, finally reached. So we all just landed here, all parked in. We're gonna go explore a little forward and see how that looks. Rash driving, please don't call my mom. Totally call his dad. Check this out, guys. Amazing. Nice time sitting there.
I don't know, ma.
Okay, we're gonna go downstream now. Of course, here's Manisha, the female biker. Yeah, alright. You wanna see Anna suffering? There you go. Right, we're gonna go downhill. It's really slippery. Oh my god, these rocks are interesting. Wow. Lo and behold, the mighty waterfalls. Yep, there it is. Okay, time to go up. Came up from there. Yes! Okay, all the way up top now. Kind of up top. That is top. Okay, time to go even further up. After everything is done, give me my AMC back.
Yeah, it's just a welcome.
Oh my god. This never changes. No matter how many times I go for trekking, I burn out. At least I have a partner.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, we're the big guys.
Yeah.
Almost there. I'm not alone. Come on, mister. We're very close. So everyone's getting ready to leave and I'm just here stuck recovering. Pick me up. Alright, so we're done with pretty much most of the day. We're all chilling out, having some sugar cans right now. So we're all done. Guys, how was it, Ibrahim?
It was really adventurous, you know. It's really fun.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers. So good. So, how was your trip, guys?
Thrilling. The best part was off-road.
Oh, the off-roading, right?
It
Yeah.
was thrilling actually.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
as it is my first ride in AMC, I got my
Yeah,
badge.
look at that badge right there. Yeah.
Great time with you all.
Lovely people.
And of course, the leader of the pack right here.
I was eagerly waiting for this ride. We had a good pack, around 9 bikes and 13 people.
Hear that? 9 bikes going behind each other, single file, and everyone is like What's going on? And we had some kids saying hi and bye, and people all.
That is the best thing about bike ride. When we
Yes,
go through
yes.
the small village, the kids will be waving.
Yes,
that
it
is
was
the
so
best
good.
part.
I got to wave at like 4-5 kids, and they're also excited. We had a school bus went by, everyone is screaming their lungs out at us.
Yeah.
That was also pretty cool. Yeah. Well, look forward to more rides with you, man.
Yeah, sure.
And check this out. His name is RDX as well. Check out all these batches he's got here. Look at that. Whoa. What is all of these? There's so many. Oh, I got one of these.
Yeah.
I'm a baby biker starting right there. So, all right, cool stuff.
bye-bye.
Until next ride.
Yeah, sure.
All right. And of course, nothing finishes unless we talk to the female biker here. This is Manisha. She's from Assam.
Hi.
And what got you into biking, Manisha?
I don't know, I just wanted to go on a solo trip. I thought maybe why not start with the bike. So I thought, okay, fine, this was the best suited for me.
Yeah.
As
Well,
for
this-
my height. To say very frankly.
But hey, you don't regret this choice, do you?
No, I
This
don't.
is excellent bike, isn't it? All right, guys, everyone here at the end of the trip. And which group are we? AMC! AMC! Excellent. Time for us to go back now. Bye-bye.